Hi, welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate your age using your date of birth in Excel. With a few simple clicks, you can quickly and accurately determine how many years have passed from your date of birth to the present. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. The best function to calculate age in Excel is the dative function. Before using the function, make sure the data table is formatted correctly. The date cell must be formatted as date. And the cell to display the calculated age must be formatted as a number. We will select the cell in which we want to display the result. First, we will set the equal sign, and immediately after it we will write dative. Add an opening parenthesis. Now we will enter three data. The first data we will enter is the date of birth. We'll click in cell before and add a comma. The next entry we now need is today's date. We'll enter this simply as a today function. We enter today and continue by adding opening and closing parentheses. This command will ensure that Excel will always use the current date in its calculations, thus giving us the current result. If we need to use a non-current date, we can use a separate cell to store this information and refer to this cell in the formula just as with the date of birth. But we want to use today's date, so we leave the today function in the formula. We can move on to the next step. We add a comma. Now we need to find the exact number of completed years that have passed between the date of birth and today's date. We can find this out simply by putting Y in quotes. Now we just close the parentheses and press enter. And we're done. What do you say then? Simple, isn't it? If we wanted to use the function to calculate the age in other rows as well, we just copy the formula from the first cell by dragging the bottom corner of the cell. Each row now contains the calculated age as the number of completed years that has elapsed from the date of birth to today. And there we have it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via comment or liking. Are you interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes, and I hope to see you in the next video.